Okay, so inspecting, maintaining, and cleaning your standard foam pad. Just like the microlattice pads, these pads are designed to give you additional protection and comfort. So you want to really make sure that you take care of these. As far as inspecting them, when you get these are going to be in a separate bag, but you're going to want to inspect these for frays, rips, or tears. And the same thing goes for your impact layer. Those will come already pre-installed into the helmet. So just check those for any damage. If there is, make sure to send our customer service team a message at info@hardheadveterans.com. Okay, so let's talk maintaining your standard foam pads. One of the first things you're not going to want to do is, once again, do not leave them out in direct sunlight, because that sunlight will over time ruin the material. Another thing that you're going to notice is that as you wear these for long periods of time over the course of months or maybe years, that you're going to start to collect dirt and grease. So you're going to want to wash them regularly. So just like you're seeing on screen right now, you want to use warm water and soap. You don't want to use harsh chemicals, because that's going to damage the pads or the material around the foam pads. So after you wash these with warm water and soap, you're going to want to let these dry on their own. You don't want to throw them in a dryer, because that can damage them. Also, you don't want to leave them out in direct sunlight to dry, because over time that's also going to start to damage the material. So if you have any other questions when it comes to inspecting, maintaining, and cleaning your standard foam pads, make sure and hit up our customer service team at info@hardheadveterans.com.